Oh, so look at the value of Bitcoin.
Well, great morning, Coach.
Good
Saluting
morning.
salutations from the East Coast all the way to you, bright and early on the
Yes.
West Coast. And today is the day, Wealthy Wednesdays, right? When you wake
Yes.
up and your money has worked so hard, right? Bitcoin has gone up like I think I made like $500 something, $600 like literally while I was sleeping,
Oh
right?
my God.
So I'm just waking up, right? And I'm telling you guys like this is just truly amazing. So it is Wealthy Wednesdays for a reason today. Bitcoin is going to the moon. We're going to get this profit party started. I'm so excited today, right? Today is Wealthy Wednesdays. Literally went to bed and woke up and in profit. Like I got to go double check and look at the numbers. It's probably about five something, 600 something dollars. Literally overnight. Your
Wow.
investment growing 500, $600 overnight. Truly amazing, right? So I'm so excited to be here with so many people across the world, right? So many people across the world. This is day 12 of our financial crusade since we've launched publicly the Extreme Wealth Makeover. I'm so excited, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely, absolutely. Woo. We got some investors on the line popping on. Who's that? Look at that. Somebody sleeping, making money while they sleep. Right? I don't know who that is. Look, we got investors
Oh,
all over
that's
the world. This
Frank.
thing is crazy. Right? Frank, big up. We can't see you, Frank. We got who is that? Is that Roman? Right? Right? Roman looking like he been in hibernation, right? Bitcoin just
Man,
growing
Turn
like
your
crazy.
screen.
Look, I told him
Turn your
I
screen
just woke up
sideways,
like
Mike.
$600 in profit because Bitcoin is just going to the moon. So we're so blessed, we're so excited. We live and direct in full effect. We got some of our investors on. Frank, we can't
Turn
see
your
you. Great morning, Queen Crosby. Somebody sing Sean the link. We need Sean on here. We're about to have this profit party. Somebody text Sean the link ASAP. Text Sean the link. Let me see if I can text Sean the link. We're about to have some fun in here.
Woo!
Sean, click that link. We need you live and direct in full effect. Because look, we're about to have the biggest profit party today on Wealthy Wednesdays. I got my warm cup of tea. I'm wide awake now, right? Because when you hire your money to work for you, I'm telling you, it's an amazing feeling. I didn't leave the house. Okay, awesome. She said she about to create her watch party. No problem. Right? I need somebody to come on. Look, we're about to have this profit party. It's about to be truly amazing. We're about to get this party started. I'm so excited. Live and direct in full effect. We've launched this crusade. All right, no problem. No problem, Sean. Look, do what you do, Queen. We need to see you up on here. Right?
I
It's
feel you,
Wealthy
Sean Crosby.
Wednesday.
I ain't mad at you,
Right?
girl.
Look, do what it do. Look, do what you got to do. When your money work this hard, it don't even matter. You can come. Look, y'all can come. Ladies can come on here bald headed. It don't matter. Right? When your money works like this overnight,
Yes.
okay. So look,
Yeah.
people are on here. We're so excited. We're gonna start the look. We're gonna break the internet today. It's Wealthy Wednesdays, right? We've been preaching this. I need some new investors. I want some investors on here. We need to show some testimonies, some real stories, so you guys can see why we're so excited, especially today on Wealthy Wednesdays. Literally waking up when you have your money working harder than you do, right? I haven't sold any cars, right? No one has any money to buy any cars, right? But the blessing is I have something in place for the past few months where my money is working harder than I do, regardless if I work or not. That's why we're here to give you this blessing. So we're going to get this profit party started. A lot of you ladies and gentlemen are living in pain. We're going to take your pain today into profit tomorrow. and the next day you're going to live in prosperity, and every single day. I promise you that. I'm so excited. The proof is here. We're going to unveil the curtain in just the next 3 minutes. Right now, to get the party started, we need each and every one of you that's listening to the sound of my voice. 3 people. I need 3 people you love, 3 people you care about, and that one person that needs a financial breakthrough or blessing. I don't care if it's your ex. Text them and tell them you're going to bless them. Even though you don't like them, you're going to bless them. Text your ex, tell them they need to receive their financial blessing or breakthrough. We're going to get the party started. Right?
Yes.
We got Crypto Nana on the line. We got Double Up Your Money on the line. Look, we got a lot of money on the line. So this session is going to be powerful. We got Sean getting her things together. So this is going to be a powerful session. Sit back, relax. We're going to change so many lives today. I feel it in my spirit. But I need you guys to participate because we're going to give you this for free. Right? This is not one of the other lives or one of the other things where people try to get you on a bunch of stuff and then try to tell you to buy this, buy that. I want to say this, I want to say that. Nothing's wrong with that. Salute to them. That's just not what we're doing here. Okay? We're on a mission. We're on a mandate. We're actually on a financial crusade. That is why we're doing this extreme wealth makeover. Okay? This is the serious part now. We're doing this extreme wealth makeover because the fact of the matter is people are suffering. Okay? People are suffering. People are hurting financially. Right? And we have the cure. We have the remedy. We have the antidote. Right? And we have the antibiotic to financial freedom. And guess what? It never stops. You can overdose on this antidote for financial freedom.
Yes.
Right? This is the only thing that you can overdose on that I promise you that will be a blessing to you, your family, and generations to come. So we're going to get this profit party started. I'm so excited. I am the financial minister, live and direct and full effect on this Wealthy Wednesdays. We got Coach CJ. A couple of my other investors are going to be joining us shortly. And we're really excited to show you how again, these main things that we keep saying, how to have your money working harder than you do, okay, whether you work or not. The second part, we're going to show you how to create your own monthly or even weekly stimulus check, okay, so you don't have to depend on the government. And then the last thing, we're going to show you how to turn your pain to profit, to prosperity. So again, let's get the party started. We're going to show you how we're so blessed, literally how I made hundreds of dollars while I was sleeping overnight, right? Yeah. And guess what? I did nothing for it because all my investors made money while they were sleeping. The hundreds of people that we've impacted directly since we've launched this project, okay? And then on top of that, Coach, 28,000 other people made money.
Yes.
We're able to double dip.
Yes.
It's powerful. Yes. We're going to get this party started again. I need everyone to participate, right? The disclaimer is it's free. We don't have anything to sell. We don't have anything for you to buy. Okay, so sit back, relax. Definitely put your seatbelt on because your mind is going to be blown away. Ladies, make sure your wig is on tight, but information it may fall off. All right, because I'm telling you, there's going to be some powerful information, some life-changing information that is going to empower you, empower your family, and we're going to give it to you for free. Okay, the government, the powers that be, society, look, they don't want you to know this information. That's why we're so passionate because look. I don't know if, I don't know what's going to happen, but I know that we're going to continually free 2,020 families minimum, right? We started this project and we said we're going to free 2,020 families in the year 2020. But because of the explosive growth that's happening, it looks like coronavirus was a chaos, but it was a blessing because it's freeing a lot of people, okay? It's freeing a lot of people and it's showing people that they do have options. Even though it seems like there's no way out, we have the cure.
Yes.
Absolutely. So we're gonna get the profits party started. Look, it's already 11:05. Look at this. Up from $12 to 17.55 this morning from last night. Good God. So salute William Drake. That's one of our investors. This is what I love, right? Testimonies, right? This is powerful. So this gentleman started today as what? Wealthy Wednesday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your money works for you 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, right? It's done for you.
Yes.
Okay, the same thing I've been saying, and I'll keep repeating myself. You have to find a way where your money is working harder than you do. Okay, so this gentleman, salute William Drake, all the way from Kentucky, right? Turn your phone down, Frank. So this gentleman, salute William Drake, all the way from Kentucky. All right. So what happened was this gentleman didn't really understand everything, but he says, "Hey, I'm looking for something, looking for change." And I said, "Well, we have the change." He took a chance. He took a chance on himself, right? It wasn't a big chance. I mean, it was common sense for free, right? How to become your own bank for free, right? And have your money working harder than you do. And he's posted. I posted his testimony, right, from Monday. Right? He was up $12 and now he's up 17.55. And what? Monday, Tuesday, 48 hours. Right? Truly
That's
powerful. Truly powerful, right? Because all of you got a bank account. And look, I don't think y'all can get that profit in 5 years. Right? So that's truly powerful. Salute to you, William Drake. Want to hear more testimonies? It's 11:07. We're about to get started. Okay, we're about to get started. We're going to free so many lives today. So many lives are going to be empowered. If you're listening to the sound of my voice, consider yourself blessed and prosperous today, right?
yes.
If
Yes.
someone invited you to the live, to the watch party, to the replay, whatever it is, just know you're blessed and financially prosperous today on this Wealthy Wednesday, right?
Yes.
You're
Yes.
so fortunate to be here, not because you're listening to us, but maybe your prayers were answered, right? Maybe your prayers were answered, and we're going to give you that solution, right, for free. So I'm so excited. I get this little warm feeling, whenever people just level up in life. It's just a weird feeling inside, right? So let's get started. My name is Marvin Tackey. I'm better known in the industry. If you don't know me, I'm better known as a financial minister. I'm so excited. I feel so blessed and just amazing today. Not only is it a Wealthy Wednesday, but again, the day is starting off so prosperous. Okay. Why? Because we've employed our money. We found a way. We've actually cracked the wealth code. Myself, my success partner on the West Coast, right? You see her. She's busy helping people behind the scenes and freeing some lives through the phone, right? Coach CJ Johnson, she never stops, right? Never stops. She's like the Energizer Bunny, right? Y'all think I got energy? Look, she never stops. Greetings, Karen Johnson. That's the person I want to see. So let me send you this link. I don't know if you're in a position to jump on just for a few minutes. We need to hear your testimony, right? So, Karen, please look in the chat group. Hopefully, you can see that link that I posted. We need to hear your testimony, right? Because you actually saw this live, I believe Monday, right? Same thing. You saw this live. You happen to just be scrolling past. We had a conversation, right? It was a no-brainer. You said, have your money working for you. And you told me you were so excited. This is powerful, guys. I got to share this. Karen, and Karen, please, we need to get Karen on here. Karen, are you in a position to jump on live real quick? Because we need to hear your testimony. Your testimony is powerful. Because I told you I'm so excited for you because you have no idea what's going to happen. right? So you took a chance, and in 24 hours, 24 hours, you were in profit. In less than 24 hours, you're in profit. I'm not sure if you understand what's going on, but I know you made a profit, right? And I know you made an incredible profit that a bank would never pay you in a couple of years, right? So if you can get on, all right, absolutely. Let's send Sean the link. Um, Coach,
Oh,
can you message Sean and send her the link, please?
absolutely. Tell her I'm sending it through Messenger right now.
Great. Thank you so much. I don't think it's coming up in the chat. I appreciate you. All
No
right.
worries.
All
Messenger
right.
is
So, Karen, if you're able to jump on, just let us know, and I'll have Coach send you the link. We're about to unveil the curtain, right? We got some people online. People are like, well, "Look, what is this roster man talking about? Right? Can he just be quiet and show us some money?" Right? Well, guess what? I'm excited, right? When you can make money, when your money can grow overnight, when your money is someone's weekly paycheck overnight while you were sleeping, you too will be excited, right? And I'm not bragging or boasting, because guess what? I want everyone that's listening to the sound of my voice to experience this, right? That's why I'm gonna keep talking. So ears that have ears to hear, you will hear. People that
yeah.
have eyes to see, because I'm about to show you so you can see, right? So we're going to eliminate all the excuses off the table, because it doesn't cost anything. So those who have ears to hear wisdom, those who have eyes to see vision, let's get this proper party started. Go ahead and share my screen. All right, ladies and gents, can you see my screen?
Yes, we see it. We see your screen.
Awesome. So everyone knows I'm a firm believer that documentation beats conversation any day, right? I like to talk a lot because I'm just truly excited about life, about everything that's going on, and about just impacting so many lives financially all across the globe. Okay. Um, this is great, okay? Because when we did this 24 hours ago, and I told you guys, if you don't believe me, go back and look at yesterday's live. But coach, you remember I said when we were looking at this that this number was, I think, 4,900 something, right?
Right.
And I
Yeah.
said, I don't care about the US dollar, right? Because
Right.
the US dollar is going to do what it does. I'm more concerned about growing and accumulating the number one producing asset in
Yeah.
history. The only thing in the globe that has outperformed for thousands and thousands of years, gold. The only thing in the world that I know that has outperformed real estate, right? Real estate is a recession proof industry. People are always going to need some kind of real estate, right? But this investment has outperformed that. What are we talking about here? We're talking about the greatest investment known to man, Bitcoin, right? The people's money. Okay. And when we talk about Bitcoin, I just heard somebody pop in. Who do we have here? All right. So, like I said, the greatest investment known to man is Bitcoin. And here's what's amazing: we're going to show you how we're so blessed and excited because we've been profiting every single day. Every single day. Knock on wood. This always happens. Why does it always log out? Don't you want to say a few words while I go ahead and set up again?
Oh, yeah, absolutely, man. I am ecstatic. We have been out here almost like Noah telling folks that it's going to rain. We're building an ark
Hmm.
Tell sharing with information with folks and trying to provide that safety net, trying to provide that arc of safety against depression, recession, pandemic. And people are coming on board. People are coming on board, and they have some phenomenal testimonies regarding what this company is doing in their lives and how it is impacting their reality right now. So my name is Coach CJ. I'm affectionately known as Coach CJ, Christina Johnson, and I have been with MTI since this past November. And I mean, about there wasn't much that I knew about Bitcoin. I knew it was a cryptocurrency. I am a forex trader, so I understood trading, and the two just seemed like a match made in heaven. The little that I did know regarding Bitcoin, man, and just it resonated so in my heart and in my spirit when my sponsor shared this investment opportunity with me, that I just had to participate. I just had to have the frame of mind, nothing ventured, nothing gained, so I got a couple of $100 together and jumped on in and said, at the very worst, I'll lose $200. I've done that before in the Forex market.
Right.
I can, that wasn't a big deal. I said, and at the very best, my $210 will compound daily, and I'll earn 8 to 12% return. And what happened next blew my mind, and you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for me to share and finish the rest of the story.
Wow, absolutely. Looks like, is that a spammer we got?
Yeah, it looks like it. They're on your page.
Yeah, it's always somebody. So somebody, let's see if hopefully somebody can go delete that, or I'll make sure I take care of that. But anyway, right?
Yeah, I think you're the only one who can delete it because it's on your page.
You know
Yeah.
what? Let me see if I can do that now. All right, I'm sorry. Please continue.
Oh yeah, no worries, no problem at all. So, man, I'm telling you, Bitcoin, married to forex trading, coupled with just an amazing investment platform. You all, we are solely here not because we're selling anything. We don't recruit. We simply just share the truth. This program is absolutely free. That was the other thing that attracted me so much to this investment company. It's absolutely free. There are no packages, no monthly fees,
Mhm.
no auto ship. It just music to my ears, and I have not been disappointed. Two 28,000 investors globally are not disappointed. Each and every day, our investment compounds and it grows. So I'm just so super excited. Look, there she is. Hey, Lady Sean.
Hey, hey,
I
hey, great
love it. I
morning.
love it. Good morning. Good morning. I
Great
love
rising queen.
Y'all caught me off guard right there. I wasn't ready.
Look, it's all good. Look, that's what happens when, the excitement, momentum, just literally watching money grow hands free. And,
No,
that's
right.
just what happens. I mean, it's just truly amazing. It's truly a blessing. We got so many testimonies. So we're going to
Yeah.
do this a little bit unconventional today, right?
it.
Okay.
We're going to take this with a natural vibe. And yeah, go ahead, and I didn't mean to interrupt you, Coach, but go ahead and finish speaking. And definitely want to invite Sean to
No, we're
give a quick
excited.
testimony.
We are excited. We're excited. MTI is a real company. It's a real investment company. It's very straightforward. Looking forward to seeing, some of the results in your back office. We are
Yeah.
so transparent. We're so blessed and honored to have the lady herself, just an amazing community leader, someone who has a passion also to help free people, not only her own personal family, but also her community. So Sean is on the line with us this morning. She's going to share a testimony with us. I was so super excited. This is my sister from Chi Town,
Hey,
Yeah.
Chicago. I met a little bit over a year ago, and man, it's absolutely amazing. So, Marvin, I don't know if you want to show your back office first, and then we'll have
Yes,
Sean.
okay.
Yeah, you show your back office first. And Sean, if you have a few minutes, hang with us because we want to hear your amazing testimony. And to all our other investors, tag, share, and invite folks to your watch party. You do not want to miss it this morning.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, Coach. I appreciate you. Just please let me know. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Fantastic, fantastic. So I know everyone is so excited. Like, look, what are these people so excited about? Now you're about to see, right? Now you're about to see the living proof because I'm a firm believer documentation will always be conversation. People
Yes.
lie, but numbers will never ever lie to you. Okay.
Yes.
So I actually got the call from Coach just as excited as you've heard her, right? I've known Coach for I think about 2 years now and so forth. We've all been trading in the foreign exchange space. And the beautiful thing is when she told me, said, Marv, you got to really take a look at this. This was actually back in November. Okay. So, like Coach says, I've, played around. I have a bunch of, leisure. We all have that leisure money, right? So I said, okay, $200. Let me see what this thing does, right? Worst
Yes.
come to worst, I could point my finger at Coach. I could point my finger at Tanya, right? Because I knew the two of them, right? And then the last party was $200. I've wasted $200 on a lot of different things, okay? But when I saw my first result, and this is actually a different account that I created for my late mom. A lot of you guys know I always talk about for my mom, for big up my mom, right? Resting in peace, resting in paradise. This is an account I created for a project in her to build a hotel in her name in Ghana, right? But I actually started this account in January. So stick with me. Coach gave me a call in November, right? And I started that account with $200, just test it out to see what happens. Immediately, right? I never considered myself a smart guy, but I understand numbers, right? So immediately when I started noticing the numbers, just after 2, 3 days, my mind started working. I said, well, what if I had $1,000 investment? How much would I see the growth on? Okay. So I scaled it up, not immediately to $1,000. I scaled it up to 500. I remember putting 100 here, $50 here, $40 there, $30, $80. I scaled it up to 500 immediately. And again, every single day, this thing was growing profits. I started seeing my money work harder than I was. So what did I do? Common sense told me scale it up to 1,000. And from that point, it was on. Okay. So after that, right, common sense said, look, Marvin, you can actually create an account for your mom, right? And have this be the funds that will accumulate profits every single day to build that hotel in Ghana in honor of your mom. So 2 months later, I don't know if you know, Coach, you may just be hearing it a couple of days ago since I started this account. I started this account with $500, right?
Okay.
And you can see this account has grown. I mean, yes, this particular one, what, 400 something dollars overnight due to the power of this investment platform that we've never seen anything like this before where we can level the playing field. When I say level the playing field, I mean for the first time as an entrepreneur 12, 15 years that I can finally say we can help everyone and anyone, right? Coach is also a minister by trade. She also likes to say, look, this platform is a blessing because it's no respecter of person.
Just like God.
Okay, absolutely, just like God. That means anyone and everyone, no matter your situation, who you are, where you can do this. So let's show you how we've been profiting and how you too can profit every single day. Okay, so look at this. You heard me say I started this back 2 months after. This was actually November 18th. I believe this was a Friday. Yes, it was a Financial Freedom Friday. And look at the result. Okay, 0.57. Okay, that came back that Monday 0.77, came back Tuesday 0.16. All right, let's see some more results. 0.66, 0.70. I want you guys to pay attention to something, right? Because I haven't revealed how and why this system is so amazing, which I'll be doing in less than the next 7 minutes. Okay, but I want you to stick with me. And if you notice, this is the opening balance, this is trading bonus, this is closing balance. And look, just notice these numbers keep rising, keep increasing every single day. If you're prepared to receive increase today, type increase in the chat. Type increase right now because look at the numbers constantly increasing every single day. Okay, 0.21, 0.57, 0.82. Let me stop right there, right? Because everyone that's listening to the sound of my voice, you're seeing these numbers. You're seeing these numbers. And remember, every single person that's listening to me has a bank account. You may have a checking account, a savings account, both. You know, I know, it's no secret the banks are robbing you blind and they're giving you 0.07 a year. So if you got $200 in your bank account, by the end of the year, you made 14 cents. Actually, that's a lie because fees. But here, I just showed you in just 2, 3 days, you wouldn't even get this profit in 2, 3 years. Hold on, it gets better. Now we're in February, 0.43, 0.44. Hold on, let me highlight these so you can see. Look at the numbers. When did coronavirus start? Sometime in February, right? Look at this, February 20th, 0.91. Why is this important? Because during coronavirus, I've had people suffering, 401ks going down. Lady called me 40,000 lost today. Next day, whoop, another 7,000. And it hurt my heart to tell her that coronavirus, we've been locked down, we've been quarantined, and we're still living a dream because we haven't had any losses. Our income has not been affected at all. Look at this, 0.52, 0.21, 0.62. Hold on. Now we're in March, 0.60, 0.43, 0.73 every single day. Even down to what was yesterday, the 28th, 0.41, 0.18, 0.23 every single day. Nothing's guaranteed in the market, but like Coach says, daggone, this is the closest you will ever get to guaranteed. Okay, this is powerful. And this is why I keep saying you have to find a system to have your money working harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. This is why I say we've cracked the wealth code, we've leveled the playing field, and now you're in a position to become your own bank and have your money working harder than you do. Okay? So now, without any further ado, before, right, I let you know how you can be in profit today and also every single day. Want to introduce again all the way from Chi-Town, right? Queen Crosby. I don't know if you got a few minutes, if you're ready. If you can just go ahead and give us a few words of wisdom, what you saw in this investment platform. I know you're a fellow Forex trader. I love your business, your mission that you set out to the masses. You know, leaving an inheritance. You know, actually my parent company, the parent company of Create Wealth Network, is the Legacy Wealth Group. So when I saw that your business was leaving an inheritance, I knew that, you know what, this is why we're alive. This is why we're alive. So take it away, Queen. I want to definitely hear from you, hear your wisdom, your success with how you've been in a position to become your own bank. Take it away, please.
Well, most of the people that know me know I've changed my career to day trading.
Okay.
But so I was really focused on trading, nothing but trading. So when Tanya introduced this to me, I was a little resistant because I was like, I'm not joining no multi-level market,
Right.
Anybody else, nothing. Leave me alone. If it ain't about trading, I'm not interested. She's like, hold on, Queen, it is trading. So she broke it down and piqued my interest, So I seen what she had done just a couple of weeks. So I threw $100 in just to play with it. I could eat I eat $100 in a day. So
Right.
went on and played with it, and I let it sit for like 30 days. And I mean, it wasn't a whole lot, but I looked up and I was like $111. I'm like, okay, I ain't even did nothing. I put it in there and just really forgot about it, honestly, because I didn't really think much of it. So when I seen that increase, and then I seen Tanya continuing to grow like she was growing, and I'm like, so I had a little change, that I was just sitting there. So it wasn't growing for nothing.
Right.
So
Exactly.
I was like, you know what? Let me just put this over here and let's see what it do. And oh my God, I had an increase that was so amazing to me. I have been asking God to show me ways to introduce Bitcoin to my family. Because even right now, you talk about money and things like that. People run from you like you the coronavirus. So what happened is that when I got the increase, I was just led to just tap on a few of my family members and friends' shoulders and say, hey, I'm going to give you your piece of Bitcoin just to get into this. All I need you to do is just create your own account and Google Bitcoin, do your own research, but I'm going to invest in you and give you your first piece of Bitcoin. So I was able to do that off the profits that I got from, MTI. And so I was able to bless a significant amount of people to get their first piece of Bitcoin. And so I'm truly excited about it because the increase is just not about me. It's about, many of us. And so I've been saying this, Bitcoin thing for the longest. And, it's this time. It's time. And I'm excited. I'm glad, to be on y'all team. Y'all some firehouses. We've been rocking for a minute in the money world. So this speaks volumes. And then to get up today, I just put on my Facebook pep post that Bitcoin erection that happened this morning. Oh my God, yeah. And so I was able to also share with other people like, look, you got some money, go get you some Bitcoin. And man, I've been getting a couple of text messages in this morning like, thank you, Queen. I mean, this, and the distraction is the virus. And, people are so caught up in that and you're trying to explain to them what's happening. And they like, no, but, such and such is coughing, So I'm excited. I was able to, like I said, take my investments, and now I'm creating other legs, other pots. Spread, taking my profits and putting it in different pots. So
yes.
To get it compound interest and multiplied, I ain't do nothing. I mean, that's easier than me sitting up at night in London session trading. Shoot, I don't know what to say.
Look, okay. All right.
You better preach. You better preach.
Because I ain't get up last night. You can see I'm still sitting like I just got up out the bed. I ain't even get up last night, but Bitcoin did it for me, dude. I'm like, hey, man, I ain't even have to do nothing. I woke up like, cha-ching, ching. What? Let me go back to sleep and see what happened again.
Yes.
Look.
Oh my gosh.
So yes, I'm excited, and I mean, I just hope and pray that my people just continue to wake up and get on board, because it's to the moon from here on.
Yes. Wow.
That's right.
Yeah.
I mean, that's truly amazing. I'm glad you said it, because we've been saying it, and we laugh because hearing somebody else say it now, and I've always said, this doesn't replace your trading, but being transparent, it will make you a little bit lazy if you're a trader. And I'm glad you said it, because I put in last night. I did put in, like, literally. Let me be 100% transparent. Last night we did some sessions. I felt kind of lazy. I said, I'm gonna relax. I'm about to play some music, but I know I haven't placed any trades. And I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me go ahead and look at some charts. And I put it. Today is what? Today's Wednesday. I haven't put any trades in this whole week except for last night
Yeah,
because every single day this Bitcoin is growing, working for me harder than I could ever work.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
it's being transparent. It's kind of made us a little bit lazy as traders. And that's the blessing, right? But what's important is I love what you said, Queen, because I always talk about money, creating money, right? And I've did the same thing. I've done that for my nieces, my nephews, all of my kids. They have accounts, Bitcoin growing. Some of them don't even know, and they got them, right?
Exactly.
My my my, my brother's children, right? My niece and my nephew, Garnett and Savannah, I always talk about them. 5 and 8.
Nice.
Like in the next 5 years, they still not eligible to go to college. They can buy any college they're ready to go to.
Exactly. Yeah,
And
I
that's
hooked my
why,
kids up too, of course. They were the first ones in there.
exactly
Yep.
right. Leaving
Yep.
an
Yeah.
inheritance. I mean, absolutely, right?
That's what it's all
So
about, right?
thank you so much for that amazing, powerful testimony. Freeing some lives, freeing your family members. And that's what it's about because we don't have to do this because the truth of the matter, if we were selfish, I mean, 10 to 12%
Really?
a month,
Yeah.
no one's getting that,
Yeah.
right? We could sit back, keep this our best kept secret, but
Really.
because we know we're living this dream, we want others to see the possibility because, again, a lot of times, like you said, people are so caught up in their day to day, the virus, oh, so and so's coughing, they can't even see
Right.
beyond their own reality.
That's
Exactly.
right.
Right?
That's
They
it.
can't see, right? So we almost want to like, damn, do we gotta look? Do I gotta take Sean's glasses and put them on your face? Like this
They
is
all
living
blurry
reality.
too. Can't nobody
It's-
see out these. I can't even see out of them. Let me clean them out. I'm silly, Marvin. Go ahead. Don't
Look,
interrupt you.
so this is what we do. So I'm so excited, and this has truly been a blessing. And now I'm ready to reveal the curtain, right? Because now people are like, okay, show us what's going on, right? So we're going to reveal the curtain. Sit back, relax. Sean, I already gave you the disclaimer. Now I love what you said in the beginning, Queen, because we've all been, we've all been entrepreneurs. We, tried different things, and
Right.
don't look. Nothing's wrong with network marketing, MLM. Hey, nothing at all. I'm just saying that this is not what we're doing here,
Right.
right? And if you want to do those things, salute to you. I'm just saying that's not this type of party. This type of party is more for the people that want to find something where they can put their money in, have it work, and then go about their business. So whether it's going about their business, continuous, being a trader, being a full-time mom, being a single dad, look, whatever you do, be the best at what you do.
Absolutely.
That's what we're here to say. But have a system where your money's going to work harder than you do. So now we're going to go ahead and transition. All right. We're going
Thank
to
you,
show.
Sean.
You're
Yeah. Thank
welcome.
you so much, Queen. We truly
Thank
appreciate
y'all for
you.
having me. Appreciate it.
Thank you. We
Yeah.
appreciate you for that
Absolutely.
powerful testimony.
Y'all doing a
Yes,
great job. Keep it out. I told God I put it out there to the community.
that's right.
Wow.
That's right.
That's
Absolutely. Thank
it.
you
I'm
so
just
much.
doing my job. That's all.
Hey, look, we just doing what we were called to do on mandate, right?
That's it.
Absolutely. So yes, I'm so excited to let out. Again, I'm going to let out this disclaimer. Sean let it out. I think I let it out earlier. Again, this is not MLM. This is not network marketing. This is simply a platform, a blessing, a financial platform with anyone, no matter who you are, where you are, you can participate and become your own bank. So we've actually chosen this company. We formed a strategic partnership up with a company that's called Mirror Trading International. Okay. The reason why we chose this company, I'm going to reference it as MTI. Okay. So stick with me. I'm going to say MTI for short. Okay. The reason why we've chosen MTI is because just as Sean has explained, the coaches has explained, we've been talking for a few minutes now. This is the company where no matter who you are, where you are, you can level up in life, have a system where you can have your money work harder than you do and become your own bank. Again, create your own weekly or even monthly stimulus. You decide. Okay. MTI, we chose this company to form this strategic partnership up with. It is a registered company based in the Republic of South Africa. Okay. We're so excited because in less than 24 hours, officially we'll be celebrating 1 year in business, 1 year in prosperity. Okay. The company's registered office is in the Western Cape of South Africa. Okay. That's where the the headquarters is. And this man right here, he's the man behind the whole master plan, Johann Steinberg. I love how this gentleman set this platform up because it's based off of 100% transparency. But the main principle behind MTI is everyone wins. Okay, the attorneys and legal advisors, Ulrich and Rokes, they're there to make sure MTI is legal, compliant, and able to operate all across the globe. Why are you here this morning, this afternoon, or this evening, depending on what part of the world you're in? Very simple. What have we been talking about? Why are we so excited? We're excited because the number one producing asset in history, you're now in a position where you can grow and accumulate, earn Bitcoin every single day. Okay. Now, a lot of you guys and gals, ladies and gentlemen, you may have heard me mention Bitcoin. Maybe some of you are skeptical about Bitcoin. Maybe you don't even have any knowledge about it. Okay. Let me just be very quick. Again, this is a platform that everything is done for you. We're not here to, really teach you about Bitcoin. Right. We can give you some tips, but we're not even here to teach you about that because this is not something that you need to really learn or have any education on to participate in, right? Meaning, again, we can level the playing field no matter your skill set level, your educational level, your background, your race, creed, we don't care. You're in a position to become your own bank. Okay. So let me talk to the ladies and gentlemen that may not know about Bitcoin. It's very simple. It's a number one producing asset, out producing real estate. Okay. It's the people's money. It's digital currency. It's not a real coin that you're holding in your hand with a bead on it. Okay. It's digital money, just like your cash app or your bank card. Okay. It's the people's money. No government, no third party, no central bank can control it. Okay. And also, it's what experts are saying, even though we're so excited that yes, it's about, I mean, last night we were talking about 7,700. Today we're talking about 8,300. Okay. So these financial experts, I'm the financial minister, but financial experts are saying the same one Bitcoin that's 8,300 by next year will be 100 grand, 135 grand. I read an article last night. I've been telling you guys that one Bitcoin, right, in 2023, that experts are saying that will be 400, 500 grand. I read an article about 3 in the morning, that same one Bitcoin in 2 years, they're saying it's going to be $1 million, right? This was a gentleman that he's a heavy Bitcoin investor that used to work at Goldman Sachs. Okay. So that's why you want to accumulate and get as much as you can, as fast as you can. And MTI is going to show you how to do that. Okay. For the people that do have Bitcoin, maybe you're blessed to have some fractions of Bitcoin. Maybe you're blessed to have a full Bitcoin. But here's the truth of the matter: your one Bitcoin today, tomorrow, next week, next month, forever is just one Bitcoin. The difference by having it parked over here in MTI instead of being lazy sitting in a wallet is, again, every single day you will grow, accumulate, and earn more Bitcoin. How is this done? Okay, it's very simple. I'm sorry, it's very simple. Okay, we have a unique business model here. I love it. Yes, the company's based in South Africa. They deal with the South African rand. I'm here in the United States, like most of us. We have investors in Ghana. We have investors in Nigeria. We have investors in UK. We have investors all across the world. It doesn't matter your currency because every deposit is made in Bitcoin. Every profit that's generated is paid in Bitcoin. Okay. So it's a beautiful system. You earn Bitcoin daily. But this is the part I love. When the price of Bitcoin rises, so does the value of your trading account increase. What does that mean, Marvin? Okay. Why are we so excited? Why have we been talking for all this time? Right? Because you're in a position where you can now double dip. Okay, I think I said it before. I'm going to say it again. We've been so blessed that for what I showed you the profits, 10 months straight, 11 months straight, no losses. Look, nothing's guaranteed in the market. I'm just saying this is the closest investment you'll get to guaranteed. Okay, and we haven't incurred a loss at all, not one day. But we're in a position where we can double dip. Not only is our Bitcoin growing 10 to 12% a month on average, but when the price of Bitcoin rises, like it did last week, right? Like it did overnight, literally watching or not watching because I was sleeping, but waking up 400 something dollars when I look at my different accounts, it's probably maybe over 700 something dollars increase overnight while we were sleeping. That's the power of Bitcoin. Okay. How is this done? It's done through a very unique business model, trading Forex, Monday through Friday. Let me stop right there. Okay. Because again, you just heard Quentin Crosby talk about, look, if it ain't Forex, they ain't want to hear nothing about it. Right? Because it's a greatest skill set known to man where you can tap into $6.7 trillion a day. Okay. But let me be transparent. A lot of us met in the foreign exchange market. I've been learning this skill set for 2.5 years. Have spent thousands of dollars, blood, sweat, and tears before I was able to be consistently profitable. But now we can level the playing field. This is why I'm so excited. This is why I'm so passionate. This is why Queen Crosby is so excited. This is why Coach CJ is so excited. Because now we can help everyone. Look, you guys don't have to go pay that price to go, be on the cross, right? To learn that skill set, right? This AI software, having your money work for you Monday through Friday, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This AI software would take 6, 7, sometimes 800 trades a day on your behalf. Okay. And the profits that's generated is in Bitcoin. Why is that powerful? That's what I mean. Look, if you're the single mom, you're the busy mom, single mom, be that best busy single mom in the world. But have your Bitcoin growing in the background. If you're the IT professional, look, if you're the banker, if you're I don't care who you are, where you are, continue doing what you do. Don't stop, but have your money working for you harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. Okay. That's what's so beautiful about this platform. Look, this part you got to pay attention to. The profits that are generated from MTI, they come solely from the trading activity. Why is that written in orange? That's important. Again, this separates us from all other platforms. Don't get it twisted. There's tons of Bitcoin programs out there. What's unique about this? We don't care if anyone joins. I'm the financial minister. Coach CJ, she was a she's in ministry. Queen Crosby, she's also passionate about people, blessing her family, blessing her neighbors, right? Being a blessing, passing it on. That's what we do. But the truth of the matter is, no one joins. We don't care. The CEO can close the doors tomorrow. It doesn't matter because where in the world are you getting 10 to 12% a month on an investment? What investment can give you that? Right? That's powerful. Your full Bitcoin investment goes into your trading account. When I saw this, coach, this was really important, right? Because there's no hype, no glitz, no glamour. Look, no part of your Bitcoin going to pay for so-and-so car program. None of that nonsense. Okay? I don't care if you invest $10,000 or $100,000. Every single cent of that goes into your account working for you. What does that mean? This is giving you passive income. Again, having your money work harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. Very simple. You can earn passively 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Your money's working for you, and you're earning from the daily trading activities. And the blessing is no experience is required. That's why we're so excited because the masses, the people that are in uncertainty, catastrophe, chaos because of this virus and all this nonsense that's going on. And now we had to let the cat out the bag. We had to launch the extreme wealth makeover and show everyone and anyone that you can prosper because there's no trading experience required. That's huge. There's no admin fees, no membership fees, no subscriptions, no auto ships, nothing to buy, nothing to sell, nothing to put in your garage, none of that nonsense. No packages, no costs, no deductions. This thing is truly amazing. This is an example, not even an example because this is real life. Today is Wednesday, 2 Thursdays ago, the 16th. Look at the transparency here. This is why I said I've never seen a platform like this. Johann Steinberg set this up based off of 100% transparency. He's the first one to say, I'm the first one to tell you, look, the market will do what the market will do. Yes, we've been profiting 11 months straight, no losses. Knock on wood. You hear that? But nothing's guaranteed. Does that mean that later on tonight it can be a loss? Absolutely. And we're okay with that because the historical results do not guarantee the future results. But look at the transparency I'm talking about. Every single member will get 40% of the daily profits according to their account. That's amazing. Why is that amazing? Again, look at the transparency. What did I say? The company is based on this one principle and this one principle only. Everyone wins. What does that mean, Marvin? If you're the new investor, if you're the seasoned investor, you have a lot of money. Guess what? This platform is for you. If you're the new investor, just dippling and dabbling, you're just trying to try something, leave an inheritance, leave a legacy for your children's children. Guess what? This is for you. If you have no money, if you just thought about investing since I've shown them profits, all right, this too also is for you. This is no respect of persons. You can also tap into an additional weekly profit sharing pool that's paid out weekly, right? 20%. That's up for grabs. Another 5%. All right. If you're like myself and Coach and Queen Crosby, you like helping people level up in life, right? Tap into that additional 5%. Look, the truth of the matter, you can tap into everything on here except for that 25%. That's for the trading software, okay, and the people that manage the software as well. It's not just some bot that's just running by itself that can blow your account. No, this is managed trading, right? So don't get me wrong. 11 months straight, sure, they can get 50%. I'd be happy, right? MTI, they would get the smallest portion, 10%, pay for their back office, their admin fees, their staff. But guess what? We can even tap into that, a 10% referral. Okay, it's truly amazing. Okay, this is powerful. Again, all income is subject to positive daily trading results. What does that mean, Marvin? No profits to be made, nothing to be paid. Yes, we're sharing in profits every single day, 11 months straight. If there's a loss today, we got to share that loss. Nobody gets paid, not even the software, right? Not even the CEO or the staff. So what that means is this software has to keep producing results, right? Working for you. Truly amazing. Okay. You'll get daily statements. Okay. 6, 7, 8 pages of trades in your back office. Me, I'm not concerned about that. I just want to go and see how much my Bitcoin has grown every day. Why I'm excited? Because again, this is all done for you. Even the compounding is done automatically. You make $8, $80, $800 today. It doesn't matter. That's automatically compounded the next day for you. Okay, look, Albert Einstein, he said it best. Compound interest, compound profit is the 8th wonder of the world. He also said those that understand it will earn it. Unfortunately, those that don't will have to pay it. And the truth of the matter is the reason why a lot of you can't get ahead, you make 6 figures, multiple 6 figures. You're broke at a higher level. You don't understand compound interest, right? You're paying it, right? Now you got to get on the other side of money. It's very simple. Look, I'm the financial minister. Bitcoin is the 9th wonder of the world. You marry the two together, you have no choice but to become financially free. It's that simple. Again, this is simple. This is about becoming your own bank. You have full control over your investment. There's no contracts, no lockdowns. We're the only ones that's locked down, right? Your Bitcoin is free to grow and work for you. You can withdraw in full or withdraw in partial. Look, all of our investors, we got some investors that got started yesterday. and in profit today. They have full control. They can withdraw their profit. They can withdraw their profit in all of their account and then deposit it back tomorrow for Thriving Thursdays if they wanted to. We don't care. There's no fees. It doesn't matter. You can withdraw whenever you want, deposit as much as you like. There's no withdrawal fees, no penalties. The system is truly amazing. Withdrawal requests are submitted within 48 hours. Remember, your Bitcoin is growing and working for you 24 hours a day. It has to stop working, be submitted into the from the broker to MTI to your wallet. So the fastest I've seen was an hour and 18 minutes. Right? A lot of y'all know I was so pressed. I was let me not say I was pressed, but I was, right? So I was impressed with the system, right? And I posted it on Facebook. All right. Now I'm talking to all of my investors. If you're on the line, you're an investor. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a brand new investor, this is simple. Providing you with passive income. Passive income, again, having your money work harder than you do. Sustainable income, a long-term lifetime investment. How do I know that? Because again, every profit is generated solely from the trading activities. And the blessing is Bitcoin is in trade. Okay. Marvin, how do you get started? Very simple. Register with MTI. How do I register? It's free. Thank the person that gave you this link, right? I always tell you guys, look, buy them coffee, buy them Chipotle, Starbucks, something. They're giving this to you for free that would change the course of your life. And everyone and anyone can do this. You can fund with even $100. I'm a firm believer, never let your minimum be your maximum. But if all you have, look, we salute you. Congrats. Start with something. You got to do something different to get something different. So if that's all you got, start with $100 of Bitcoin. Let us show you how to create that monthly or weekly stimulus. Okay, fund your account immediately, or else it's going to be deleted in 7 days. Again, the system is very simple, providing you with passive income, growing your Bitcoin every single day. Okay, it's that simple. All right. We also have a very optional, all right, optional referral plan. If you want to stick around and find out how you can capitalize not just on 40% of the profits, okay, but actually 75% of the daily profits, right? I'm also a firm believer. Look, I'm giving you some wealth tips. Never leave money on the table. Never leave money on the table. I told you I started one account with $200. I started another account with $500 because the power of MTI, because the power of growing your Bitcoin. I'm so blessed to say that now I'm inches away of 2 full Bitcoin. That's powerful. That's the power of this investment platform. So take it very seriously. Okay. How did I get there? You see the coach start cracking a smile? She going to tell you, right? Right? This is how you expedite that Bitcoin growth, right? So without any further ado, my partner, right? The wealth coach herself, my partner in success, the binary queen from the West. Drum roll, please. None other than the one and only Coach C.J. Johnson.
Oh man, awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, Marvin. I mean, I've just been sitting back enjoying this live this morning. You have
Yeah.
shared the heart and soul of MTI, and our sister Sean hopped on and shared her testimony. And see, the thing about it is people connect with folks who are just being transparent and being real. Folks know when they're being sold. Then folks also know the difference when someone's just sharing something with them because they're passionate and they truly want to help them. So I know that those who have tuned in or who are watching the replay, this really has resonated with them this morning. I'm so super excited to share the additional, completely optional referral program that MTI has put in place for its investors. I have never seen anything like it ever anywhere. And I am an entrepreneur and have been a part of several different companies over the years. I've never seen anything like that. And I was thinking about it the other day. I said, it occurred to me that this truly reveals the heart of the CEO. The CEO of this company, you know, we all have had an opportunity to be on Zoom calls with him. He's an extremely humble man, very quiet, low key. He's not all that glitz and glamour, but he has a heart to really to ensure that the investors that are part of this company, that the system works for them, each and every one. So he's added some additional ways that our Bitcoin can compound. And we're only going to look and maybe the next slide or two. I'm just going to give everybody a little sneak peek. So we're not going to go through all the slides. We want to respect everyone's time. But I tell you the truth, that this is powerful. So let me just start with this one. This is a residual income opportunity and not a network marketing opportunity. Look, guys, what we're getting ready to share with you is simply a referral residual income opportunity. And it is totally optional. It's optional. No one who becomes an investor with MTI is compelled to have to participate in this. However, I will also say, like Marvin mentioned earlier, when you presented with an opportunity and there's money on the table, there's money on the table. Why leave it on the table? Sean Crosby, you feeling me?
100.
Man, so when I saw that, I funded my personal account with a little bit over $200 worth of Bitcoin because I wanted to make sure that I unlock these additional ways to grow my Bitcoin. So let's just look at the next slide. I think this is the last slide that we're going to look at for this portion. I'm just going to break it down right here from this slide and just share with folks and give them a little taste of the potential with this referral program. MTI offers 3 types of bonuses within the referral program. There are 3 types of bonuses that are offered that are housed within the referral program. The very first bonus is a 10% direct referral bonus. What does that mean? As a new investor, as an investor with MTI, what is generated for you is a referral link that you can share with your friends, your family, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, your neighbors, your coworkers, whoever you would like to share this amazing investment opportunity with. And what MTI does in response of you registering someone or helping them register their account, MTI compensates you with a 10% direct referral bonus. This referral bonus is a standalone bonus. It reflects, now listen to this, this is key. It reflects 10% of whatever your new investor funds their account with, but it is not deducted from your new investor's deposit. So it's a reflection of what they deposited, but it is not taken out of their deposit. That is powerful. So for many of us, you know, we have shared with others, and you know, if they, say for instance, and this is just an example, if someone who you assist in registering their account funds their account with $2,000, immediately in your back office, your 10% direct referral bonus of $200 will appear right there in your back office. Absolutely incredible. If that person or a different person funds their account with $100,000, your 10% direct referral bonus is $10,000. Very straightforward, very clean, very concise. It's not all divvied up and spread around. It comes directly to you. Absolutely powerful. But guess what, guys? Let me tell you a little bit additional information around this about this 10% direct referral bonus. Person A who funded with $2,000 and you received that $200 direct referral bonus. Next month, they may drop another $2,000. MTI will compensate you an additional 10% bonus on that additional deposit. So in and of itself, this direct referral bonus is bananas. How did that impact me? I started my account with $210 worth of Bitcoin. about 2-3 months after I opened my account, I had an investor that dropped $10,000 worth of Bitcoin in their account. I earned $1,000 direct referral bonus. Listen, I had only deposited $210 worth of Bitcoin. You do not need to be a mathematician nor a rocket scientist to figure out that this direct referral bonus is powerful. Okay, let me move on to the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Now, this is above and beyond the 10% direct referral bonus. That's mind blowing, right? The daily compounding that takes place that Marvin so eloquently shared with us earlier is 40% of that pie. So this is above and beyond that 40%. The CEO of this company provides for us a 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Now, let me just unpack this just a little bit for you. This 20% weekly profit sharing bonus is paid out every single week. I was looking at a couple of my accounts yesterday, and I have one that I really have paid zero attention to. And I had to laugh because I'm binary qualified, or I'm qualified for this 20% profit sharing. This is really not much Bitcoin over there. And I did receive I was thinking, I said, oh, well, on Friday, I'm going to receive a binary bonus, this 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. And it'll probably be like maybe a dollar, right? And I got so tickled because many of you know that when I came into this company, I didn't pay much attention to this 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Since then, I've learned that the referral program is all about the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. And this is why. My account initially, my first week, I earned maybe $1.11. I will never forget seeing 111 in my back office. After the following week, that had grown to maybe $17. And then the following week, that amount that was reflected as a result of that bonus was somewhere around $30. Man, it started getting my attention when that amount, that weekly amount, continued to grow. $100, $200, $300, $400 per week, guys. Listen to me clearly. Let me slow down. An additional $500, $600, $700 a week coming into your household just based on a bonus that is generated when you assist other people in registering their accounts for free is dynamic, is a word that we have used. Another word we have used is insane, and another word is crazy. When you begin to see that weekly revenue stream flow into your back office, there is nothing like it. It is life changing. And I mean, that bonus can be as much as $1,000 a week, $10,000 a week, $50,000 a week. And I tell you the truth, and I do not lie. Listen to this, you guys. The CEO has capped that weekly binary profit sharing bonus at $75,000 worth of Bitcoin a week. A week, every single week. It doesn't flush out like some MLMs do, multi-level marketing companies. You have to flush everything out, and like a little hamster in a wheel trying to build yourself back up, and then it flushes out again. Playing little nasty games with your money. That's not what happens here. This compounds every single week. So that weekly profit sharing bonus grows every single week. It's absolutely phenomenal. And then lastly, I know you're wondering, well, how do I qualify for that? What do I need to do to unlock these bonuses? I'm going to tell you right after I share this leadership bonus with you. Our leadership bonus is our newest bonus. Above the 10% direct referral bonus, above and beyond the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus, about a month and a half or two, the CEO rolled out an additional 5% leadership bonus for every investor who's crazy, mad, excited, passionate, like Marvin, Sean, and I, about freeing other folks and assisting them in registering their accounts. He has added this additional, somebody say additional 5%. Absolutely. this additional leadership bonus if we just assist other folks in duplicating what we have done. It is absolutely powerful. Now, how do you qualify for these bonuses? I'm going to tell you right now. You fund your account with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin, and then assist two other individuals in funding their account with no less than $100 worth of Bitcoin each. You unlock those first two bonuses, the direct referral bonus and the weekly profit sharing bonus. If the two individuals that you assist in registering their accounts follow your lead and fund their accounts also with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin each, and they become leadership bonus qualified, you unlock that additional 5% leadership bonus. It's absolutely phenomenal. The last thing that I'll say is this: the $75,000 worth of Bitcoin per week that's available with the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus, these 10% direct referral bonuses, these 5% leadership bonuses, all fall under the heart of this company. They're all being traded daily, and all of these bonuses compound every single day, just like your regular investment. This is, what's the word you would use? Dynamic, powerful, unbelievable,
Astronomical.
incredible. I mean, insane,
Yeah,
crazy.
all of the above.
Most folks
Keep
say
going.
most folks just say, "Wow, that's crazy." And it is, and we're all pinching ourselves even to this day. Please remember, when you're sharing with your with individuals regarding this referral program, don't use language that in any way cause a parallel between MTI and a multi-level marketing structure, because MTI is purely an investment company in its purest form. It's an investment company with a referral opportunity that's optional. We are not a multi-level marketing company. So this is a picture of two individuals who are financially free. These folks have obtained financial freedom. And what does it mean to become financially free? Is when your passive income, not when you have to be on the grind and the hustle all day, every day, waking up, oh, I got to go out here and get this money. No, no, no. We're talking about passive income. Marvin spoke about it at the top of this call. He said, last night while I was asleep, my accounts increased anywhere from $400 to $700 worth of Bitcoin while he was asleep. Passive income happens whether you're looking at it or not. So to be financially free is when your passive income exceeds your expenses. I'm Coach CJ. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Get with the person who invited you to this watch party. Blow up their cell phone, blow up their inbox. Find out what you need to do to get started with your investment. And I'm just going to ask that you invest in yourself. Take the first step and download your cryptocurrency wallet. Most of us use the Exodus wallet, like the second book in the Bible, Exodus. You know, when Moses, God split the Red Sea so the children of Israel could come out of poverty. But anyway, I thought this was church for a minute. But let me tell you, Exodus wallet, download it, go to your app store, whether it's Google Play Store or your iPhone app, download that, get with the person who referred you to this presentation. And I'm Coach CJ. I'm out. I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.
Wow. Truly phenomenal. Look, just drop the mic. We're not even going to do any Q&A because we're going to be live and direct and full effect in less than 5 hours. Get back with the person that invited you to this watch party, to this live. Thank them. Tell them you're going to buy them Chipotle. Even if it's not today, tell them you're going to buy them Chipotle, Grubhub, whatever it is, Starbucks, when you earn your first Bitcoin profit tomorrow. Get their link. Do not wait. Start today. Today is the reason why Bitcoin went to the moon and will continue going past the moon. Right? It's Wealthy Wednesdays. I'm the financial minister. We're going to be back live and direct in full effect, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Queen Crosby, I don't know what time it is over there, right? But whatever time it is, whatever time you're at in the world, what time is it in Chi-Town?
Currently, it's 11:15 Central Standard Time.
All right, excellent.
Okay.
So that means we'll be back. What 6:15 your time, Chi-Town time,
Yep,
Midwest or something like that.
yep.
Right, awesome. And wherever you're at in the world, just Google your time. We're going to be back live and direct. Save some lives, be a blessing, pass this blessing on. We gave you this for free. All you have to do is tag 3 people you love, 3 people you care about, one person that needs a financial breakthrough. I'm the financial minister. I'm glad this has been a blessing to you. This has been prosperous. Have an amazingly blessed, prosperous day. Change your mindset and your life will never change. This call is officially over, and we'll see you later.